Long before modern pharmaceutical companies invented expensive weight loss injections, our grandparents maintained their waistlines and controlled their blood sugar using incredibly cheap pantry staples. They did not have access to synthetic peptides or weekly pharmacy visits, yet they possessed a rugged metabolic stability that doctors today absolutely envy. Their secret was a humble collection of daily whole foods that we have foolishly replaced with heavily marketed processed garbage. And now, modern clinical researchers confirm these Depression-era staples actually stimulate the exact same hormonal pathways as the most popular prescription weight loss drugs on the market. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what your parents or grandparents ate to stay full during long working days. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your unique situation. Now, let us go back in time to permanently fix your health, starting with number 4. Number 4. The natural Ozempic nut, lupini beans. In the early 20th century, working-class families across the Mediterranean relied on buckets of salty yellow beans sold on street corners for absolute pennies. They ate these brine snacks by the handful to survive long physical shifts without feeling hungry or suffering from energy crashes. We now understand that this clever traditional practice was secretly flooding their bodies with exceptional plant protein and unique soluble fibers. Researchers at the University of Western Australia School of Medicine in 2008 demonstrated that consuming these specific beans significantly reduces post-meal blood sugar and drastically lowers daily appetite. Seniors, this is absolutely critical for the daily survival of your aging metabolism. The pharmaceutical drug Ozempic works by mimicking a natural gut hormone called GLP-1, which is the exact chemical signal that tells your brain you are completely full. Lupini beans aggressively stimulate your body to produce this exact same hormone naturally from your own internal biological reserves. This remarkable phenomenon is driven by their exceptional protein and fiber density, delivering approximately 16 grams of quality plant protein per 100 grams of cooked beans. When this substantial protein payload hits your digestive tract, it triggers specialized protein-sensing receptors that prompt your intestinal cells to release GLP-1 directly into your bloodstream. But here is the important part. Lupini beans also contain a unique alkaloid called spartine, which has drawn scientific interest for its broader metabolic effects, alongside their fiber content, which helps support steadier, more controlled blood sugar responses after meals. You are essentially getting meaningful biological benefits from an incretin-stimulating food for roughly 22 cents a serving. As you grow older, your natural insulin sensitivity can decline, which leaves you trapped in a cycle of constant hunger and stubborn fat storage. You need a constant supply of proper biological signals to successfully overcome this metabolic hurdle. Lupini beans help deliver these signals without the exorbitant financial cost or severe nausea associated with modern prescription injectables. Start by purchasing a standard glass jar of pickled lupini beans from the international food aisle of your local grocery store. Take exactly 15 beans and pop them out of their translucent outer shells right before you eat your standard lunch. The natural GLP-1 stimulation will help reduce your mid-afternoon sugar cravings and support more stable blood glucose levels. You will reach dinner time feeling more satisfied and less drawn to processed carbohydrates. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful for physically controlling exactly how your stomach empties. Number 3, the fullness fiber, konjac root. For over 2,000 years, rural farming communities across East Asia survived brutal winter food shortages by transforming a massive tuber into simple jellies and transparent noodles. It was a humble dietary staple that provided remarkable feelings of fullness despite containing virtually zero usable calories. Today, clinical science reveals that this ancient root was actually executing a brilliant mechanical trick inside the human digestive system. Researchers at the University of Connecticut Department of Nutritional Sciences published a substantial meta-analysis in 2008, showing that this specific plant extract powerfully reduces fasting blood glucose and supports significant weight loss in older adults. Seniors, one of the primary reasons you struggle with dangerous blood sugar spikes is that your stomach empties its contents far too rapidly into your sensitive intestines. This rapid emptying forces your aging pancreas to pump out large amounts of insulin quickly, a biological stress response that can promote the storage of circulating blood sugar as visceral belly fat. The active compound inside konjac root is a highly specialized soluble fiber called glucomannan. This is significant because glucomannan possesses an extraordinary molecular ability to absorb up to 50 times its own dry weight in water. When this fine powder contacts the liquid inside your stomach, it expands to form a thick, heavy, and highly viscous gel matrix. This dense gel substantially slows the rate of gastric emptying by increasing the viscosity of stomach contents, creating a steady and gradual release into the intestines. This mechanical effect meaningfully replicates the gastric slowing mechanism of modern weight loss injections without using a single synthetic chemical. As the heavy gel slowly moves through your digestive tract, it slows the absorption of dietary carbohydrates and helps sweep excess cholesterol out of your body. It is among a select group of dietary fibers, alongside psyllium and beta-glucan, that carry official medical endorsements for these specific biological effects. You are essentially installing a natural governor on your digestive engine for about 18 cents a dose. Go to any serious health food store or online retailer and purchase a simple bag of pure, unflavored glucomannan powder. Take exactly 1 level teaspoon of this white powder and vigorously stir it into 10 ounces of cold water. Drink this exact mixture exactly 30 minutes before your heaviest meal of the day. The gel will fully expand inside your stomach, helping you eat smaller portions while keeping your blood sugar more stable. But that is nothing compared to number 2, which actively changes how your deepest cellular engines burn fat. Number 2, the fat-burning vinegar, raw apple cider vinegar. Long before heavily processed dressings dominated grocery store shelves, rural American farming families kept a murky glass jug of fermented apple liquid sitting quietly in their simple pantries. They swallowed spoonfuls of this harsh liquid as a daily digestive tonic and used it to safely preserve their garden harvests through the freezing winter months. They did not possess a modern clinical vocabulary to explain the biochemistry, but they intuitively knew it kept them lean and completely free of painful indigestion. Modern medicine now confirms that this ancestral practice was directly supporting fat-burning metabolism at the cellular level. Researchers at Arizona State University's Department of Nutrition in 2004 demonstrated that consuming this fermented liquid before a high-carbohydrate meal can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes by a meaningful amount in insulin-resistant individuals. Seniors, the most dangerous threat to your metabolic independence is not simply eating too many calories, but rather a subtle cellular failure to actually burn the fuel you already have. This is a condition driven by insulin resistance, which restricts how your liver and skeletal muscles process daily energy. Raw apple cider vinegar directly addresses this foundational problem because its primary active compound is acetic acid. Acetic acid helps activate a cellular energy sensor called AMPK, which operates in complementary alignment with your GLP-1 signaling pathways. When AMPK is activated, your liver reduces new fat synthesis and your muscle tissues increase their use of stored fatty acids for energy. This metabolic shift mirrors the systemic fat loss effects of modern prescription injectables from a different molecular entry point. Furthermore, acetic acid may also influence neuropeptides involved in appetite regulation, helping reduce afternoon hunger signals. The core active compound in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, which is present in both raw and pasteurized versions. That said, raw unfiltered ACV containing the mother does offer additional fiber and trace compounds that may provide complementary benefits. Start by mixing exactly 2 tablespoons into a tall glass of room temperature water. Drink this tonic approximately 15 minutes before eating a heavy carbohydrate meal. Your cellular metabolism will shift toward more efficient fat utilization, and the post-meal sugar crash will be significantly reduced. Now get ready, because this next one is the absolute holy grail of historical metabolism hacks. Number 1. The Beauty Rate Bomb. Cooled boiled potatoes. In the grueling agricultural eras of pre-industrial Europe, exhausted laborers did not rely on complex dietary theories to sustain their immense physical output. They survived on leftover boiled root vegetables that sat cold on their wooden kitchen tables overnight. They consumed these cold starches before sunrise because they intuitively understood that yesterday's chilled leftovers somehow kept their stomachs fuller for longer. Today, clinical science recognizes that this accidental peasant habit is actually a sophisticated biological mechanism for supporting gut health and metabolic stability. Researchers at the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization have highlighted that consuming these specific modified starches may improve insulin sensitivity and support healthier satiety hormone levels. Seniors, you have likely been told to completely avoid white potatoes because of their effect on blood sugar. While hot potatoes do have a high glycemic index and digest relatively quickly, exposing that same potato to a cold environment meaningfully changes its internal molecular structure. When a boiled potato sits inside your refrigerator, its digestible starches undergo a structural shift called retrogradation. This cooling process reorganizes the carbohydrate molecules, transforming a portion of them into a compound known as resistant starch type 3. This new structure resists digestion in your stomach and small intestine, traveling largely intact into your large intestine. Down there, it becomes an excellent fuel source for your gut bacteria. These bacteria ferment the resistant starch molecules, producing meaningful quantities of a short-chain fatty acid called butyrate. Now here is where it gets particularly interesting. Butyrate is a potent chemical trigger for encouraging your lower intestinal cells to release the satiety hormones GLP-1 and PYY. These are among the primary hormones that pharmaceutical weight loss injections attempt to replicate. By simply eating a cold carbohydrate, you are supporting your own biological machinery to produce authentic satiety signals right inside your colon. This internal fermentation process sustains a meaningful hormonal signal that can significantly reduce your appetite for several hours. Furthermore, butyrate serves as an important anti-inflammatory fuel for your colon lining, helping to lower the chronic low-grade inflammation that contributes to age-related insulin resistance. You get a genuine metabolic support mechanism for less than 22 cents a serving. Simply boil a batch of regular white potatoes on a Sunday afternoon and place them directly into your cold refrigerator overnight. Eat one single medium cold potato the next day alongside your standard lunch protein. The resistant starch will pass through your stomach and small intestine, and by later in the day, your brain will receive meaningful, natural fullness signals. The journey to reclaiming your youthful waistline and stabilizing your blood sugar does not require expensive modern chemicals or complicated laboratory formulas. Your body is a miraculous biological machine that simply needs the raw ancestral materials it was designed to naturally run on. By returning to the foundational nutritional wisdom of the past, you can meaningfully support your metabolic aging process. You have the power to help control your daily appetite, slow your digestion, and fuel your system with efficient fat-burning energy. Dried lupini beans, pure glucomannan powder, raw apple cider vinegar. You can step into tomorrow feeling more vibrant, capable, and physically capable than you have in some time. Real food provides natural nourishment that supports your cellular machinery in meaningful ways. What counts is staying consistent and fueling your body with vital nutrients that work with your internal biology. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 4 classic powerhouse foods are you going to add to your daily routine first? Do you believe that the simple nutritional wisdom of our grandparents was significantly better than the highly processed chemical solutions we rely on today? Share your personal experiences and opinions in the comments below, because we absolutely love reading them. Stay strong, keep moving, and we will see you in the next video.